So I had the honor of this little lady over here who changed her life, her smile. We're very proud of her.
So a year ago in March, I had a spell of Bell palsy, and my life was, I was feeling very depressed. I decided to come to Dr. G, and not only he changed my smile, but not only changed my life.
What is that your mommy didn't have a Dr. G smile? What is that? What is that?
I'm gonna tell you.
Oh shit! Oh, you know me and her, we have like no limits. We talk about everything else.
She looks great.
Now she looks great?
Yes.
Okay, now she has a Dr. G smile. You see that?
My daughters, both of my daughters are being taken care of by Dr. G also.
Are you ready for this? Are you sure?
Yes.
I mean, do this. I'll breathe you. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. I didn't think so.
You ready to see yourself? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You see yourself? Go. 3, 2, 1, go. How about that?
Thank you.
The anxiety, the tiny, like I don't want an aesthetic, I'm shaking, I'm a therapist because.
I love it.
But we worked it, right? Right? We made a good team. It's just the psychology behind what we did today goes beyond your understanding right now. But then you're gonna be like, he was right. It was not a big deal. But because I was the caregiver, had I been the one in the position of patient, I'll be most likely like you. So I understand how you feel.
I don't feel that bad then.
Not anymore. No, that's my girl. What's up?
Thank you. So at first when I came in, I was very nervous of needles. Dr. G made me feel safe and it didn't hurt. And I have a Dr. G certified smile.
So I'm super happy with my newest smile. Dr. G is absolutely the best.
It is the way it is. Remember, the smile is a reflection of how you feel inside, but it has to be symmetrically balanced. The family may have an acceptance process, a transitional process, but what's important is how you feel yourself. Always remember, you will change the world that is surrounding you just by smiling.
I recommend Dr. G every day of my life, and I'm truly blessed to have met him, and he had come into my life. I had no words to express how thankful he truly has changed my life.